So this is the Karcher K2. It's a 1750 PSI pressure washer. It's done alright. It can be better. Now, if I had the option, if I had the money to be able to get one, I would have got a K3 or a K4. The K3 is 1950 PSI. The K4 is 2100, I believe. Those also, I think you do have the option to get them with a 10-meter hose reel, which is one of the things we're fixing with this. The pressure hose on this is a little bit short, so especially when you're trying to work around your car, you're sort of having to work on an area, go back, drag the unit with you, go work on the car again. And this gun, it's okay, it does the job, but I want something a little bit more compact, a little bit more convenient and easier to use. So we'll be doing some tests on this like the standard setup, swap over the new parts, show the comparisons between the two, and we've got a very dirty Forester that needs a clean as well, so we'll probably do that towards the end. I've got a swivel connect and I've got some like extension rods as well. So these clip onto our gun. That way we can pressure wash concrete a little bit nicer. I've already got one of the attachments on here. I did a little test with it. Boy, you Just to show you the comparison in that struggle, this has a quick release thing on it. And we just... so much easier. Look at the size difference between the two. The new one, when you rotate the gun, the bottle stays the right way up. So I can go like underneath wheel guards and stuff, get under there, and all the soap is still at the bottom of the bottle. When I flip this to get up underneath the guard, that soap moves away from the pickup. And then when I want to change to washing all the suds off, I can just... and that's good to go. That's going to fit in a guard way nicer as well. Versus this. That's not fitting in a wheel guard. Great for doing the ground, but that's not getting under a car. I've got the slabs separated in two halves, so we'll use the standard setup on that left side, and then we'll swap to the new gun, do the right side. Kind of a small slab. Obviously, if you're doing a much longer slab of concrete, that small cord, the small hose, is going to be a bit of an issue. And the other thing as well is this is sort of an awkward angle to speak on. The head of the pressure washer, the pressure washing gun, you've only got the spray pattern in the one orientation. So you sort of got to hold it at the angle if you want the fan to be going. If that's your fan pattern to be going across this way, you sort of got to hold it at an angle. Versus with this, you can just simply twist it. So turn your hose off before you disconnect. I just dredged myself. This yellow clip, push this down and out of the way. Whoop, it doesn't matter, the table can get wet. That leaves us with the end here. That goes into our quick connect end right here. And just like that, we've got our new gun sorted. But I think before we start, I do want to chuck on that swivel connect. So what this will do, as you're unwinding the hose, this will rotate, and that way you don't get that weird little kink or knot in the hose. Yeah, so now, once we start to sort of unravel the hose, it will twist at the connection. That way we don't get any weird kinks or knots. Here you might be able to see the difference in lightness. It's a little bit lighter on this side compared to here. Then you can see how it's gotten a little bit deeper. It's gotten a bit more of that grime from the ground on this right side than the left. So this is where we had the new gun do its work. So I really wanted to get one of the like retractable wheels, one of the retractable hoses, but even the cheapest one I could find, $200. This also looks like I might be able to do away with the quick release here because it's already got the thread on this end, and that should thread onto my swivel connect. Oh, yes. That's so good. That's so much nicer. There's so much glare I can't see if the camera's actually seeing down here, but now we just gotta pop off the release down there. Hopefully that comes out and this can just go straight in. I might line these out. Goddamn flies landing on me. I'm gonna lay this out and do like a side-by-side length comparison actually. So standard one on the left, new one on the right. Just look how far it goes. That's where the old one ends. The new one, way down there. And then because I don't really want to have to go messing with the hoses again, I'll probably just like insert some old video from when I did that last test on this for our soap gun. And I hope this new one is better. It's there at the pickup rather than going upside down, you know? Woo! Oh my god. Degree. There you go, you can do it yourself.
It's the same as one of these.
Pull the
little knobby back. Like that.
And it just...
Pull the thing back. Push it another way. There you go.
Ooh.
So this setup, way better. The volume of soap that comes out is gonna be a lot more than what the standard Karcher does as well. You can adjust it, so you do have the dial up on top to adjust how much soap comes out. There's also the adjustment on the front of this, so you can have a more pointed fan, or you can open it up. So it goes like that, but super happy with how the setup is going. The hose is like the perfect length. It gets right around the whole car. Didn't have any issues with having to sit there and like untangle it so it didn't kink. It just like unwound itself. And all of that was, I think, less than $100. obviously minus the Karcher unit itself. This thing is sick. It's now to like the point where like I'm gonna take it out more often to use, because before it was just sort of just having that shorter hose didn't detangle itself, and the gun was a little bit annoying as well. I'm gonna find myself using this a lot more now. So there's probably a link or something in the description, comments. It's just like an affiliate link. I do my best to try and like update them so that they're all valid links if you want to check out any of this stuff. 5 minutes! 5 minutes after we've washed the Forester.